Today, we're going to reveal how you can lift your droopy eyes in less than 10 days. Stay tuned for effective tips and natural remedies. Body fit. Stay strong, healthy, and beautiful. Welcome my channel. Droopy eyes can make you look tired and older than you are. They are caused by various factors such as aging, genetics, and even lifestyle choices. But don't worry, we have some effective solutions that can help lift and rejuvenate your eyes. First up, facial exercises. These exercises can strengthen the muscles around your eyes and reduce droopiness. Try doing eye lifts, where you look up without moving your head and gently lift your eyebrows. Repeat this 10 times, twice a day. Proper hydration is crucial for healthy skin. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Dehydrated skin can appear saggy and accentuate droopiness. Invest in a good quality eye cream or serum. Look for products that contain ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. These ingredients can help tighten and firm the skin around your eyes. Your diet plays a significant role in the appearance of your skin. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins promote skin health and can reduce the appearance of droopy eyes. Getting enough sleep is essential. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can lead to puffiness and droopiness around the eyes. Using a cold compress can reduce swelling and tighten the skin around your eyes. Simply place a cold washcloth or chilled spoons on your eyes for a few minutes each day. Make some lifestyle changes. Reduce your screen time, avoid smoking, and always wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV damage. Natural remedies can also be effective. Place cucumber slices or use tea bags on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. These can help reduce puffiness and refresh the skin. There you have it, easy and effective ways to lift your droopy eyes in less than 10 days. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and health tips. Thanks for watching.